handy-dandy notebook. Okay, a spoon. So, a long line here for the handle and a curve there, and now we have a spoon. Our handy-dandy notebook. Okay, a bowl looks like, well, there's a circle at the top and a curve here and over here. And we have a bowl. So, our handy-dandy notebook. Okay, we need to write down these vegetables. So, a carrot with the green stuff on top, and a potato with eyes, and a celery stick with some lines, vegetables. There. Well, we have our last clue.